your child has been coughing frequently recently, radon gas in your home could be a potential factor. Radon is a naturally occurring inert gas produced by the decay of granite and uranium. During the construction of buildings, radon gas can be drawn indoors due to low air pressure. Once radon enters the lungs, it can become trapped and gradually accumulate, potentially leading to serious health issues, including lung cancer. Radon is colorless and odorless, making it undetectable by human senses, and specialized detection tools are required. If the detection results exceed safe levels, immediately open windows to ventilate the area and consider installing a radon mitigation system to ensure the safety of your home's air.